I was just going here. I'm walking a couple of minutes. And then I'm saying, I was up a bit. I was gonna go up a bit, walking up here. Yes, I mean, I was thinking about also thinking of, so, this is up again. The boots is up again, so, I feel first books kind of over it right now. I think what else? This is the idea of guidance of our summer songs. But I'm thinking, oh my gosh, it's super summer, so I mean, I got it so all summer. This is too for me. Yeah, so it can be like guys. Yeah, and we people feel wake up when so that's so good. Like I can see him in the books. I give him. So it's about to go. I assume. Wait, okay, I'm seeing yeah. That's not wait. No, wait. Who's this? What today? There's somebody with. Okay, I'm up. I want to go get some. I'm gonna wait in my way. Because wasn't up with and everything. So this is what I'm doing now. So this is I'm okay with it. So this is wait, definitely super. So that's what I'm doing right now.
Very good. That's fine. That's nothing. Yeah, I'm upstairs. I'm socks. I'm upstairs. I just think that let him give it like a videos. But I think so that's things looking then. Okay, I'm back at home, I'm up on books. Okay, so I guess this is up but this morning. So this is it. What I feel. So this is where we guys. So yes. Okay, this week Tuesday. After Tuesday, yes. But I'm gonna be off again. Okay, my guys. And I gave a first grade. It's gonna go like this. So I'm gonna do next Tuesday. So we will start a bit of work what a lot of people like anyways. I assume it's already over, but there's more confusing in my pickups because that's why I become most people but other people in my group say Tuesday, so that's why I used to come. I'm going to go with I want to see about Buddhism as I see a big group. That's my group here for us. My other groups can't believe the films. So I hate it well. But it's because so I don't go see what's shooting the bus. They were Buddhism. Oh yeah. I'm good about it, yeah. So but oh yeah, I'm gonna Cam's right, we keep girls in so I mean my girl was I'm used to going so but I'm gonna go cancel I poses with my real game so we got to say my real place soon. So I'm gonna go for you, yeah. So see you. Yeah, so yeah, this is it. I look at we're out.